Kajingkam ye ki nong di drug bat kajing kurup yo drug kamdei kabala ban shule kat baman laki dei ki pulit ni ki magistrate kumaya kran ya khana hayo hat namar kani kakam haban ya thik pathik katkum kan narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances act khatkhandai spa prapusan lani ka NDPS Act kablas dang pentre kam nadu snam khatkhandai spa prapusan kani ka an kade ka bawan ra khnang man yele persha yu drug nadu ka jingroi ki nongdi par kumjo pan pinstam ki nongdi hagani ka act ka don ka section 42 ka ba ai board ya ka jingkurup yu drug bat ban kem ki brio ki badan kiti ban khai drug nadu hagi jaka pajba bat ki we ki jaka sheki officer jongkan ngono ka tanat kabla sha pan kubor shisngi hadien bangilala ban peni ya ka khubor halor ka jingpelong jongkinong khai drug ya ka east giant tales kum ka khrdok bat kalintia ban shalan yu drug nakabenta ka jingmen toy jongki nong pej bakin nong sngap bakin umdon ka jing artatien bakin yo ya ka jing tip kumno la le yo drog bala yo kurup ngin pen sngap ya phi ya ka jing ekran baki he pulit ka bakin thop yo SPCT jongka east castles uba vivek sem baduba banrap lang jerwa additional SP ka east giant hills ka ba ka kanhu nu Shillong Mail Kyrwoh ka Atiar kalada ban ringdor thammun chwa bad dangshan
ila seized out drugs yabbo yakini ki drugs mila seize ha kawai ka jaka bukerpang kata khot ka NDPS malkhana kata kalong ka malkhana ka ne ka kudam ka balong ni ka ba kham ka ba balong la ka jong ka bam dei ba ban bo ki exhibits ber ki ki case kani kalong Thik kerpang tang ya ki drugs ki ba dei apo ka NDPS Act te kani yamanta ka don ha Sadar police station te ki don ki rules belabu untuk kebaidai baka kumno ban sei kumno ban bo hakani ka NDPS malkhana gidon ka CCTV kadon ka logbook te kani ka don ka jingpet jong OC jong sada badudon wi nodal officer jong ka district ubdai u gazetted officer DSP rank wo pej kani ka NDPS malkhana hapedeng katukani sni hadian bangila kurup yaki tingi hable ka sampling ru tika sampling tu ni hapla master packet hakut ni haplit hakmat hi o magister but hadin kata ni selek sampling ni sei nang tu ni seal biang ni bo biang kamur ni sara biang cha kot malkhana tika ni kalong transparent ba hakmat be hakmat judge but kani kalong full proof bamla ban tamper bamla ban sei menu kadon ka wika committee ku bi khat ka drug disposal committee ko ba clear ODIG eastern range hakata committee ni kanunu ka case bala dispose ka court hi ni habra hakmat kata committee kan shna ka inventory idan magistrate ubadan lang apeng kata ka drug disposal te ni hab shna ka inventory hadin kadon under videography padang ni hab dispose te kata ni hab ni bar khot biak chak ka court kani kalong ka full proof system but da kunum no ubri ushim bakla tu ki drugs bidan hamal khana ne ki badan ha kapor ba dispose tu bri shakem be shapen gan biang ka NPS te kani kalong full proof system ka bamla hi ban like na kamal khana ne kanu no benta hi jongka drug disposal.
I've always seen this in social media ba ki brio ki ong bai shanu ka ja ni drugs ka pasha kem ma bale kumta bale ki pulit company se ai baki drugs ki thap ne mdei bangi to bangi there's a proper procedure as per NDPS Act ba ngi haban bo apo ngi ong ka malkhana a place where all the drugs is kept. Once the trial starts, then we begin the process bangin ong ban dispose and there has to be a proper disposal ngimla ban chura tu ki drugs ban chu thang namar it's a danger to the public also. So kumanchu batai last year in Kyrwoh there was a proper procedure done and ni dispose order came from the court ban dispose ni alam there's a special purpose gidan hangni hapo star cement kadan ka incinerator it burns at 5000 degrees anything you throw there ka should vaporize by so all those packets bangila seal bangila your order na ka court eventually ni bread by hang to and that is properly disposed of.
And it's been documented.
It's been documented. Everything is proper documented. There's video. There's everything.
Okay.
I think at that time maybe I think we should have called the press. This year also we'll be doing that, and I'll make sure that this time we will call the press to witness all this and to inform the public also.
Okay.
I understand the sentiments of the public bakin ong ba hot ki pulit ki layu ini ki drugs ki pulit yo maki ki lay namar ki laja ni manum len ya kata kum gini ki case ki laja ki ki states man ong ba ki police hi ki lay ya ka to ka drugs ki lay pen kala ka way ki de kala to ka drugs, but I can guarantee you ba hapo address jungi there's nothing like that. There's nothing ever happen like that. We make sure about everything is under proper custody, proper order kan one ka court, and then only we'll dispose. And when that happens, you will be informed to witness.